How are you guys? Kamusta kayo lahat? So I just came from vacation. By the way guys, I just want to inform you that if all of my presentations without my face, you cannot see my face, so meaning I was in offshore. So what I did, just to play, just do a presentation as well, continuous through PowerPoint, or sometimes just like random informations throughout the learning process of what is my job and what is my experiences. Today, guys, I will share to you or with you guys about the equipment list. This is the list that I prepared. Okay, for example, in my present project, so we have substations, and then all the equipments, what is the equipment inside in the substations. So I will read it to you, and then I will share this to you also here in my presentations. I will give you a snapshots so that you can see as well why I'm reading this informations. For example, in our switchgear room, we have a local control, GIS protection panel, and then switchgear, SSD panel, 132 kV, so gas insulation guys. And then we have a cable test bushing adapter, network monitor, and we have a socket for 3-phase 110 amps and auxiliary power. Of course, we have an OT crane to remove moving of the equipments inside of the switchgear GIS. So moving forward to our switchgear room. Our switchgear room, we have 11 kV, 6.6 and 415 volts. We have its back switchgear, its back control, and main lighting DB panel. You can see that one in our switchgear room, and auxiliary DB, of course RTC panel for the transformer, substation lighting, IRC or IRP panel, okay, and SSD panel. You can see this everywhere, SSD panel, and of course another 11 kV breaker trolley, 6.6 kV trolley, and cathodic protection panel, a small power DB, and of course its back SCU control panel. So this is the list that I am reading to you guys. Okay, how about the battery room? What is inside in the battery room? We have 11 kV 110 volts AC UPS rack, that is by rack, and then CB box, battery temperature sensor, and iWash. So of course we have BMS, battery monitoring system. So in the UPS room, what is inside in the UPS room? So AC UPS 110 volts, AC UPS DB, DC UPS 110 volts DC, UPS DB 240 volts, AC UPS for telecom and network cabinet, control cabinet, IO cabinet, PMS cabinet or server cabinet, and FMS cabinet as well, operator console as well. You can see there operator console, and then PAGA system cabinet, SSD panel. You can see again SSD panel. So battery monitoring controller, and custody metering for the MOB starter panel. So how about the transformer? So we have the transformer that is outside of the building. So we have 132 kV down to 33 kV, and the MVA it's 54 to 67.5 MVA, and then we have 132 kV down to 11.5, that is 58 MVA, 45 to 58 MVA, and 6.6 to 433 kV. So that is our emergency transformer, and then we have a neutral transformer, So 11 kV as well. So this is the transformer sizes of the transformer from 132 kV to 433. Okay, 33. So this is the list. Now, as you can see, guys, this is the list of what is the equipment inside of the substation, transformer, switchgear, UPS, and control room. We have also in the control room what is the inside of the equipment of the control room. So this is the all informations that I am sharing to you guys right now, so that you have an idea and what kind of equipments inside of the substation. So in our UPS room and control room, in our control room, of course, we have their PAGA system, we have marshalling cabinet, we have also server cabinet as well, and then DCS ESD cabinet, and then telecom cabinet, fire and gas cabinet, we have battery cabinet as well. So this is, guys, so now you know some of those materials, some of those equipments inside of our substation. So some informations that I prepare, there's a lot of testings, scope of testing, pre-commissioning, and telecom supply scope. What else? Another scope. So remember, guys, you cannot memorize, just only familiarize what is inside. And during your interview portion, so just only familiarity, and you can answer some of those questions. That basically not 100%, because we are not an expert. Maybe if you are an expert, you can answer those of questions like basic informations or difficult questions. For me, I am focusing for electrical, instrumentations, and telecom. So I cannot say 100% experts related electrical right now, since I'm working as electrical, instrumentation, telecom, and fire and gas as a construction engineer, as quality engineer, as quality inspector. So it's difficult to be an expert at this moment. So maybe way back 8 years ago, I was in design as an electrical designer, electrical engineer. Maybe I can say just like 90% I'm equipped with the electrical background as well. So now it's totally different. So 50-50. You know how to install, you know what kind of electrical, instrumentations, telecom, and fire and gas. This is now mixed experience. Thank you, guys, and have a nice day, and bye-bye.